Hi everyone, this is Mr. Dinaka, Faculty of English Department. In this session, we are going to discuss about prefix. 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 The prefix is very important in English language. Why we should study prefix? That is very important. If we learn prefix, we can learn many new words. We can learn many new words. We can make many new words with the help of the prefix. Right? So, for that, students should know the meaning of prefix. See, the spelling is Prefix, prefix, right? So, what is the meaning of prefix? Group of letters added to the beginning of a word. For example, one word is there. So, group of letters, it may be one letter, or it may be two letters, or it may be three letters, or maybe four. So, from two to four letters added at the beginning of that particular word, that is called prefix. Group of letters added to the beginning of a word. A prefix has a meaning, but it is not a word. The prefix has a meaning. It may be two letters or maybe three letters, as I said earlier. It has a meaning, but it is not a complete word. Right? One more point you want to know about prefix. Third one, pre. Pre means meaning of word prefix. P or E. Pre means before. Right? Where we have to add these letters, prefix, beginning of the word, right? So, pre means before, fix means to attach. Attach in the sense added. So, prefix we can add before the particular word, right? So, that is the meaning of prefix. Prefix. Pre means before, fix means to attach. Prefix can change the meaning of a word. If I add one prefix to the particular word, it may change the meaning, right? So, my dear students, first you should know the definition of prefix. What is meant by prefix, right? So, where we can add the prefix to the word, to the base form of the word. Base form of the word means to the root word, right? We can add prefix. We cannot add for all the words in English. We cannot add. For the particular words, we can add prefix. See, what are all the prefix we have? This is some examples I have written. Apart from this, many prefixes are there. So, these are the most important prefix we have to learn, right? See the first prefix an. So, what is prefix? Group of letters added to the beginning of a word. So, an, un, group of letters, two letters. So, only two letters. So, an, un is a prefix. What is the meaning of the letter word an? Meaning of the prefix an, not, remove, reverse. In three ways we can use the prefix an. What are they? Not, remove, reverse. Not. See the example, happy. Happy is one word, right? Happy. Happy is the root word, base form of the word, right? Root word. So now I am going to add one prefix un, un. So now the total meaning will be changed. Happy, unhappy. So if I say unhappy means not happy, that is the meaning of prefix un, not. Happy, unhappy, which means not happy. Remove, pack. Do you know the pack word pack? Packing. So if I use one prefix unpack, so opposite meaning. We can use prefix un for the opposite meaning. Happy, unhappy. So unhappy is the opposite of the word happy, right? Pack, unpack. Here what is the prefix? Un is a prefix. Where we have to add the prefix before the root word. So happy is the root word. So unhappy. So we are adding un. So what is meaning of un? Not. Unhappy in the sense not happy. Okay? Unhappy. Unpack and undo. Right? Undo. Undo is the opposite of do, reverse. You might have studied in the computer, right? The MS Office. Undo. It means reverse action. Okay, my dear students. So what is the first prefix? Is un. What is the meaning of this particular prefix? Not. Remove, and we can use for reverse also. So what are the words we have seen? First you have to learn the root word. What are root words? Happy, pack and do. And for these root words we have added the prefix un. If I add the prefix un, the meaning will be changed. Happy changed as unhappy, pack, unpack, do, undo. See the another word, another prefix, re. Re. See, prefix has a meaning, but it is not a word. It is not a word. Group of letters. Right? What is the meaning of re? The meaning of re is again. Okay? Again. First see the root words, examples, consider. Consider, right. These are the root words, base words, right? Now, we are going to add prefix re. Right? Now, the meaning will be changed. Reconsider. Rewrite. So, the meaning of re, prefix re is again. Right, my dear students? So, consider is a one word, and if I use prefix re, reconsider, you can consider again. Okay? Write is a root word. I am using prefix re. Now, the meaning of the word will be changed. Rewrite. The meaning of rewrite is write again. So, the meaning of re, prefix re is again, my dear students. Okay? Students, let us see the third one. Miss, M-I-S, miss. So, first two an and re are two-letter prefix. Two-letter prefix. See the three letters. M-I-S, miss. So, prefix can be a two letters or it can be three letters also, right? So, miss. What is the meaning of this prefix miss? Is incorrectly. Incorrect, right? Spell. Spell is a root word. Spell. S-P-E-L-L, spell. So, if I write or if I spell incorrectly, what word I can use? What prefix I can use? Here, I can use miss. Spell, misspell, which means incorrectly, incorrect. Okay. Next one, understand. Understand is a root word. So, now I am going to add one prefix. Prefix is M-I-S, miss. Right? Now, the meaning will be changed. Understand, misunderstand, which means incorrect. Okay, my dear students. So, spell, misunderstand, both are root words. Here we have added prefix miss. So, misspell and misunderstand. Right, my dear students? See the next prefix, D-I-S, three letters, D-I-S. Okay? The meaning of D-I-S is not, remove, to, right? The examples we can see like, We can take like. Like is a root word. Okay. Now I am going to add one prefix to this word like. I can use dislike, appear, disappear. Like, dislike, appear, disappear. So the meaning of this is not like happy, unhappy, like, dislike. Okay, appear, disappear. Disappear in the sense remove. Okay, my dear students. So opposite, we can use this prefix this to make opposites, right? And see the next prefix mid, mid, 3 letters. What is the meaning of this prefix mid? Mid in the sense middle, 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 middle. You might have heard this word day, night, October, right? So these are all root words. Now I am going to add this particular prefix to these words. Day, midday, night, midnight, October, mid-October. So if I say midday, it means so middle of the day. If I say midnight, middle of the night, middle, the word, the prefix mid means middle, right? So October, mid-October, which means middle of the particular month October, right? So we can use mid also. See the next one, co, C-O, co, 2 letters. With, meaning or with and together. These are the meaning of the prefix co. The examples or the root, first let us see about the root words. Worker, author, education, ordinate. So these are the root words. Now I am going to add prefix co. Worker, co-worker. Author, co-author. The meaning is with. Worker, co-worker. Author, co-author. The meaning is with. Education, co-education. Ordinate, co-ordinate. The meaning is together. Co-education in the sense both boys and girls will be studying. Right? So co-education means together. Ordinate, coordinate, together. So these are the few prefixes we can use. And where we can use the prefix to the beginning of the root word. Beginning, that is very important. Beginning. Pre means before. So beginning we have to use. You can see all the examples where we have used this prefix to the root word happy, unhappy, pack, unpack, do, undo, consider, reconsider, write, rewrite, spell, misspell, understand, misunderstand, like, dislike, appear, disappear, day, midday, night, midnight, October, mid-October, worker, co-worker, author, co-author, education, co-education, ordinate, co-ordinate. So we have used prefix in the beginning of the root words. If I write prefix alone, it doesn't give any meaning. We have to use the prefix with the root word. Then it gives the complete meaning. Right, my dear students? So, in most cases, we can use prefixes to say the opposite things. To say the opposite things. So, happy in the sense happiness. If I say unhappy, it is opposite of happy, right, my dear students? So, these are the few examples. Apart from this, we have more prefixes, 2-letter prefixes, 3 letters, and 4 letters also we have. For example, we can take anti, A-N-T-I, right? Anti means that is also opposite. Corruption, anti-corruption, right? So we have 4 letters prefixes also. So let me recall, what is the prefix? Prefix pre means before. So where we have added these prefixes? Before the word, beginning of the particular root word. Prefix has a meaning but it does not a word. An meaning is not. Re, the meaning is again, but it is not a word. It is not a word, but it has a meaning. Miss, incorrectly, it is not a word. Dis, meaning is not remove, but it is not a word. So, likewise, meet and co. Okay, my dear students. So, you have to keep it in your mind. Prefix has a meaning, but it is not a particular word. Pre means before, fix means to attach, right? Prefix can change the meaning of a word. It is very important. It changes the meaning of a word. Like, I like ice cream, right? Here it shows our likeness. If I say dislike, dislike in the sense opposite of like. So, prefix can change the meaning of the particular word, right, my dear students? So, what you have to do, you go through many words and try to use these prefixes for that particular words, right, my dear students? And moreover, prefixes we can use for the antonyms, right? What is meant by antonyms? Antonym in the sense opposites. So these are the antonyms: happy, unhappy, like, dislike, appear, disappear, right? You have come across while learning antonyms, right? If you practice like this, easily you can speak many words while communicating with others in while writing also. I hope you have learnt prefixes in this session. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you, my dear students.